Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to use CHEZ in French. This weird French preposition that many of you struggle with. As usual, the free PDF of this lesson is available to download on my website. The link will be in the description box. So let's see how to use CHEZ in French. CHEZ, like I said, is a French preposition. That means at someone's house, place, at someone's business, shop. CHEZ is sometimes followed by le, la, so an article, or sometimes followed by nothing but a proper noun, so like Dylan, or a pronoun. We're going to see both today. And starting with CHEZ alone. We use CHEZ alone when CHEZ is followed by a proper noun or by a pronoun, more exactly, a stress pronoun. In this case, it indicates that the person is going to another person's house, without mentioning the words house or home in French. I know, this is quite confusing. Let's see. CHEZ followed by a proper noun. On est chez Camille. On est chez Camille. So we are at Camille's house, at Camille's place. We are at Camille's, basically. On sera chez Douglas ce samedi. On sera chez Douglas ce samedi. So, okay, so we're going to his home, his place. Okay? So here we don't have an article before a noun. We never do. So, no article. Just chez plus the noun. Like I said, CHEZ can also be followed by a stress pronoun. If you don't remember the stress pronoun, in French they are moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, elle. I will leave a video on that and a blog post I believe for you in the description box as well. Viens chez moi après l'école. Viens chez moi après l'école. Come to my house after school. Viens chez moi, ok? Chez followed by a stress pronoun. On va dîner chez elle ce soir. On va dîner chez elle ce soir. We are going to have dinner at her place this evening, okay? Chez followed by a stress pronoun. That's for when we don't have any article after, but we can have also chez le, chez la, chez ma, chez mon. Mon are technically adjectives, but it's okay. Let's just make it an easy grammar lesson. We use chez followed by le, la, ma, mon, etc. when we talk about someone's house, someone's business, or someone's shop. Let's see chez for someone's home. And you're gonna say, we already saw that. But no, this time we are not going to name the person. So we are not going to use their first name. If we can say, il est chez le voisin. Chez le voisin. So we don't say chez voisin, we say chez le voisin. Okay? He's at the neighbor's house. Chez le voisin. Or, mon colis est arrivé chez le directeur. Chez le directeur. Technically for this one, it could also be his office. But yeah, it could be his office or his house. Doesn't matter. Chez le directeur. Okay? And now for someone's business or someone's shop, and I know this is the most confusing one. Je suis chez le dentiste. Je suis chez le dentiste. I'm at the dentist, okay? So this is a business. A dentist is a business. Je suis chez le dentiste. Or, on doit aller chez le docteur. Chez le docteur. We have to go to the doctor. Chez le docteur. And finally, for someone's shop, elle doit aller chercher des fleurs chez le fleuriste. Elle doit aller chercher des fleurs chez le fleuriste. That's it. That's all you need to know, really. It's not that complicated once you know exactly how to use it. So there's only two different types of structure with nothing after but a pronoun or a proper noun, or with an article or an adjective after. Very easy. Please let me know if you have questions in the comments. I try to answer comments a few times a week. I'm also going to have a new series called Ask a French Teacher, where I'm going to talk about all the questions that you ask me in the comments, because I always answer everyone, but then I'm like, well, everybody should have the answer, so then we can talk about it. So yeah, just let me know if you have a question. I'll be very happy to help you. And I will see you again next Wednesday for a new French lesson. À mercredi prochain.